Alright, I don't know why, but people love, and by people I mean math teachers, love giving this question. And it looks really bizarre. Basically, it's not a question. I'm going to explain what this is. It's three right angle triangles, which are all similar, thrown in, combined. Alright, so I have vertices A, B, and C, and I've broken up those triangles. And what I did was I pulled apart the three triangles down here because I want to show you something. If we take a look at x here, and I said a over x, it'd be equal to x over a plus b. And I'm going to take a look at this small triangle in relation to the big triangle. And so I say the base over my hypotenuse is equal to my base over my hypotenuse. Take a look what I get. I end up with, and that's supposed to be an A. It looks like a 9. There we go. And so when you take a look at this, what you're going to end up with is this really becomes x squared equals a squared plus b. Well, a squared plus ba because you have to distribute. When I take a look at my green triangle here, I get, well, maybe I'll do this in green. I get b over y equals y over, and it's actually a plus b again. And so take a look, I'm looking at my green triangle, so I get my altitude over my base. Do I? Oh, I'm sorry, that's not supposed to be y. Whew, got a little confused there for a second. I get b over, it's supposed to be z. Alright, so I get my altitude over my hypotenuse. And why did I put c here? That wasn't supposed to be c. That's supposed to be a z as well. I get, goodness me, you have to apologize slowly at night. So I get my altitude over my hypotenuse and my altitude over my hypotenuse. And so once again, I get z squared equals ab plus b squared. Now, if I look at not the big triangle, but I look at the two smaller triangles, this black triangle, ABD, and this green triangle, BDC, I'm going to take a look at the y, and I'm going to say a over y, which is my base over my altitude, is equal to my base, which is y, over my altitude, which is b, y over b. So I get y squared equals ab. Now, oddly enough, if you know these three with this triangle, you understand how I get this, then you're in great shape. You can pretty much do anything. One of the things I do want to show you is this. Watch this. If I had ab squared plus bc squared, it should equal ac squared because of the Pythagorean theorem. ab squared is going to be x squared plus bc squared is z squared equals ac squared, which is a plus b squared. Now, a plus b squared, you have to FOIL out. You don't actually have to know this, but it's kind of cool. I'm going to just show you real quick anyway. If you FOIL out a plus b squared, what you get is a plus b times a plus b, and you get a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. So you get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. But x squared is really a squared plus ba, and z squared is really ab plus b squared. And I just said a plus b quantity squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. ba plus ab is really the same as ab plus ab, so I get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals this. And it's just a proof of the Pythagorean theorem. It proves why the Pythagorean theorem works. So that's it. So if you plug in values for these, you will be able to crank out your answers. No problem. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm sure it didn't make a whole lot of sense, so go back and watch it again. Pause it when you need to. And once you start doing your work and you're plugging in your numbers, all of this will make sense. All right? Just have to plug them in, cross multiply, and you'll be in good shape.